Sige, paano nga po maiintindihan ng art? I guess, ano siya, it's more introspective. You need to look inside yourself, and then you will find art. Yun. I guess it's about that.
Ganito lang naman kasimple ang art. Kung nagustuhan mo yun, nakaka-relate ka sa work. And especially pag nakausap mo yung artist, nalaman mo kung ano yung concept behind the work, and it speaks to you, that's it. And then, if that inspires you to create art, then do it. Yun lang.
It's not something that we should force on you because art is integrated in everyday life. It's in the form of music, in the form of fashion, in the form of visual arts. So some people, they're interested to know more about the works because it speaks to them. So mga iba, alam nila they're not interested in arts, but sad to say, or unfortunately for them to break the news, that art is really integrated in our everyday lives, whether they like it or not.
A certain type of art for everyone. So parang not all styles are for me. So, pero for sure, even if you're not into figurative paintings, for sure there's a artwork somewhere out there na you can relate to and magre-resonate sa'yo.
Art, anchor. So lalo ngayon sa mga situations sa paligid natin, personal, emotional, mentally. So yun yung laging level sa'yo. So yun yung anchor. Yun yung laging binabalik-balikan mo, sasandalan mo. Kung everything else is sa paligid, yun yung uuwi mo. Fun, no? Yung talagang fun. Kasi pag pipilitin mo, nakaintindihin mo yung mas mahirap. So, mas maganda na magustuhan mo lang siya. Una-una, so from there, unti-unti, maiintindihan mo siya. Kung ka naman pwede mag-cast sa artist.
Understand that we are a product of art or creation or art kasi isang paglikha. So, dapat maintindihan natin yung as humans, lilikha tayo out of nothing. And by mere words, nabuo tayong lahat. So, from one person. And, yun. So, dapat maintindihan natin na ang art, nagsisimula siya sa sarili or it's either you're gonna make something out of your hand and then eventually gagawin mo na siya. So, iniisip, gagawin kung ano yung nasa puso mo. Gawin mo siya. Regardless kung ano man ang core, kung ano man ang size, kung ano man ang itsura ng gagawin mo, important yan na galing sa puso mo yun. Kasi yun yung storya mo. Kaya each one of us, whether we're not a fan of art, we should appreciate art because it's all about creation.
Ito kasi yung bumuhay sa amin. Ito yung I think art is about being and becoming. So, we live and breathe art.
Art. Para sa akin, wala akong may ibang mahanap na career. Naghanap ako. Hanap ko ibang trabaho. Bumabalik talaga ako sa art. Kasi nung bata pa ako, yun na yung ginagawa. So, I owe everything to art. So, the same way art para sa akin is lifesaver siya. Without it, ewan ko kung saan ako mapunta.
Yung art kasi, it gives you a sense of purpose. And ito na talaga siya bawat hininga ko. Kaya, this is very important to me kasi I don't see myself doing anything else other than this. Like I said a few minutes ago, art to me is about being and becoming. Lahat tayo meron sa heart natin. I guess it's up to us kung paano natin siya gagamitin, di ba? So ito yung outlet for me. So aside from poetry, spoken word, ito yung isa na visual art.